From an industry standpoint, I mean, 50 of the top 100 drugs prescribed now have a copay card program in place. Yet when you look at it in terms of dollars, we spend as an industry $30 billion on rebates a year, and we spend $4 on our copay program. The industry on the managed care side is starting to feel threatened by what's coming forward.
Before you said the industry needs to move away from incremental innovation and move more towards new innovation or new approaches. And yet most of what you just described is incremental innovation. It's better delivery systems, better approaches, better lower toxicity profiles or better toxicity profiles. All of that is really the essence of incremental innovation.
There are some legitimate concerns here about, say, the free flow of ideas and the free flow of information. But I think we've also recognized over time that the government does have a right to shape certain forms of information transactions and information flows to make for a better overall information environment.
This is the year that every brand manager has gotten a checkbox on their scorecard called Do Something Social. More often the discussion we're having is a Facebook page the right thing to do? Is a Twitter account the right thing to do? What's meaningful and appropriate for your brand? Not should you be doing it?
These small companies are rewarded by the market when they go from phase 1 to phase 2 to phase 3. There's no encouragement to spend the time in phase 1 to really straighten things out. They get their reward by getting to phase 3, and then it may fail because they haven't done the homework. Scientifically, it always makes sense to spend your time at phase 1 and phase 2, or even at the preclinical level, but the stock market doesn't reward that.
The pharmaceutical industry was very slow in adopting technologies that bring them closer to patients. You know, they haven't broken down that barrier yet, and if that void is being filled now by other means, and it's not driven by pharmaceutical industry, it's driven by entrepreneurs, by some medical association or so trying to help, you know, patients manage their conditions better. You know, and pharma is kind of just nowhere, they're absent in that field.